What's up? I just got back to the crib and I got my box. I'm about to open this up real quick and see what we got inside.
Street fame banging. 100 shot clip in the K. I made some chicken today. Niggas be jacking my style. I just might give it away. These suckers just pose for the gram. But none of these niggas are spray. My youngins are laying the vans and popping the cans and 50 your way. 100 shot clip in the K. I made some chicken today.
I don't want to be
Niggas
all
be jacking my
nosy.
style. I just might give it away. These suckers
Okay,
just
food
pose for
for
the
you, bro.
gram. But none of these niggas are spray. My youngins are laying the vans and popping the cans and 50 your way. I get that bag and I run it up. She bought that pussy in front of me. Bitch, I'm the king of the jungle. Your nigga a fraud, he just talking you wanna be. I got the coupe with the top shot. I put the roof in the trunk. Dodging the pigs in the state pen. Locked down 2 bunk. Rolling up blunt to the sour. I fuck your bitch in the shower. And bitches, they call you a minute man. I hit your hole for an hour. I got respect in the power. Bitch in the hood, I'm a dog. These niggas is divas.
Authentic.
What the fuck are they done? I got the K with the double clip. I am so done with the humble shit. 20 plus years I've been running it. I give it right back when I'm done with it. I do not fuck with no rappers. I only fuck with the trappers. Cause these niggas they hustling. They just hustling backwards. I need that stomach on flat. I need that pussy on fat. You know the foreign the space shit. And I just painted it mad black. I need that ass on cash stacks. I need my pockets on swole. If life is an easy pass, my nigga who stop at the toll. 100 shot clip in the K. I made some chicken today. Niggas be jacking my style. I just might give it away. These suckers just pose for the gram. But none of these niggas are spray. My youngins are laying the vans and popping the cans and 50 your way. 100 shot clip in the K. I made some chicken today. Niggas be jacking my style. I just might give it away.
I've seen a lot of things on YouTube where people be getting usual boxes. Statements from the dealer. A lot of people that I've seen that gotten the authentic ones, they come in the box just like this size, small little boxes, not them big old huge boxes that they're probably about double the size. I don't know if that's probably different Acura dealership selling the product or something, or they get it from some other place. Not too sure. This is the box it came from, straight from the Acura dealership.
I am so done with the mumble shit. I am the king of the jungle, bitch. 20 plus years I've been running it. I give it right back when I'm done with it. I do not fuck with no wanksters. I only fuck with the gangsters. The general home been holding it down. They call me the anchor. I need that stomach on flat. I need that pussy on fat.
I've heard a lot of people comment about it, saying that it's supposed to come in a pinkish type of little bag for them to be also another hint on them being original RDX injectors.
I just might give it away. These suckers just pose for the gram. But
Pinkish,
none of these niggas are spray.
like a bubble
My
wrap.
youngins are laying the vans and popping the cans and 50 your way. 100 shot clip in the K. I made some chicken today. Niggas be jacking my style. I just might give it away. These suckers just pose for the gram. But none of these niggas are spray. My youngins are laying the vans and popping the cans and 50 your way.
Original OEM RDX 410cc injectors. It's got the green little seal at the bottom. It's brown on the seal on top. Well, black seal, but this little brown is brownish up here. Ooh, that's looking nice. Oh yeah. And me having, I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison too on the eBay RDX injectors, so you can see what they look like side by side. But already just holding this injector and having the other one in my hand also, I can kind of feel the difference. This one got a little more weight to it. The other one felt really like, how can I explain it? Really light. And the little spray pattern holes in the bottom, it also looked like it was Yeah, I know you ain't gonna be able to really see it through the bag, but it doesn't really look like that one. I totally forgot my dog was out here. He's just chilling right behind me. Luckily, he don't go out to the street. But yeah, this is looking nice. All right. So there you go. 440 cc, 410, 440. I think they're 410s or 440. Not too sure what they go by, but they are OEM RDX injectors. So there you have it. All right. Well, I don't know if I'm just post this video and then do another video with a side-by-side comparison just on that one video, so it won't be too long. But this is what it is. This is my new little piece I got. So just keeping y'all updated. I know I haven't dropped a video in a minute, but I don't have a computer to edit it, so I'm doing it on my phone, and my phone be acting up, telling me I don't got enough storage and stuff. So it's kind of hard to do it on trying to edit on those bootleg little phone editing apps. But I'm gonna try to see if I can make something work. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all though. Comment, subscribe, and let me know what else y'all want to see. If y'all want to see a rundown of the car or whatever y'all want to see, just let me know and I'll see if I can make a video. All right, peace out though.